White's objective here is to kill black on the corner. It doesn't seem very difficult because white can reduce black's eye space by playing this large knight extension here on the first line, on both sides as well. So after these two exchanges, number 3 is in danger of being captured. So all white needs to do is to pull back number 3 like this. And now black cannot capture number 1 and make a real eye. Whereas here, black can make this shape into a connect and die, and this will be at least one real eye. So white will fail this way if it allows black to capture number 3. But the sequence here actually matters. This is the correct sequence, playing number 1 here first. You might think this is the same. Well, if black plays a 2 and 4, then this will be the same. The problem here is that black can actually play these two exchanges first, and now black plays here at the 2-1 point. If white connects here, then black can live this way. If white comes in at number 7, black can play this move first. Now white must connect here. Otherwise, black can occupy this point and capture white and form 2 real eyes at number 10. So white must connect, sacrificing 1 more stone, but it makes sure that black doesn't have 2 real eyes right away. And now white needs to come in here again, because again, black can play at this point and make 2 real eyes. But now black can connect here, capturing number 11 and forming a real eye here, and white must come in at number 13. Otherwise, black will make a second real eye here at the 1-1 point. But now, for the purpose of this problem, white fails because black can escape this way, like this, number 14, or here. So this way, white actually fails because black has essentially escaped from white's enclosure. So that is why white must play this move first. If black tries these exchanges, these will not threaten 1 and 3, because number 4 is under Atari, there will be no connect and die for 1 and 3, and even if black captures number 1, this will be a fake eye. So overall, not a very difficult problem at all, but finding this sequence for black is actually not easy. So make sure you know what's going on with this sequence and know why black played those moves and why white had to respond that way, and why white cannot contain black if it plays at number 1 in this direction. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.